Alright, so I'm at my buddy's house right now. We just got back from dinner-ish. It's pretty early, but you know, we're sitting here. You guys see, I don't know if it zooms in and see if, I need a better lens, but we're pretty up on top of the mountain. There's the nice, beautiful city of LA. Friday night. I am not gonna go out on a Friday night. I have some work to do, and I have this video to make, and I'm so excited. Ricky Gutierrez and Patrick Wieland both responded to my video, so I want to talk about that, reiterate some facts from both of those videos, give them an invitation to feel free to come out to LA. I would love to talk to you guys. If you guys want to just talk or anything, let me know. There's that part, but first to subscribe to the channel. That's the first thing. We're going to talk about that, the promotion and self-promotion of this stuff. So subscribe to the channel. There's a bunch of free stock trading videos, live trading, tutorials, real estate, e-com. There's a bunch of, honestly, just check it out, get lost in it, have fun. We have a cult. It's like smart people only type shit though. So again, and that's one thing too, just different types of people for everything. But that's one thing. But now Ricky and Patrick responded, and this brings up something interesting, because this is the point I kind of wanted to show and make, and it was crazy. Within 24 hours of making those videos, both Ricky and Patrick commented on each of those individual videos, and that just is just what happens. There's one thing, and let me start off by saying this too, even with this video, all of these videos, within a minute and 34 seconds, so you don't get it twisted, I am doing this for not clickbait, but for attention, clout, you could call it something of that nature, right? That is exactly what's happening here. That is what a lot of people do, and that is what people have done. And again, I'm making another video on how people have done it to me in the past. That's it, you know, either you're gonna get mad enough to comment on it and be angry about it, or say this or that, or show somebody, oh look, it's just so ridiculous. Again, me even doing this is so fucking ridiculous. But now Ricky, I will say with Ricky, he's good. The kid, he worked hard, he built up his own shit, media, YouTube, all that. You know, he just, all he finessed was the penny stock shit. You tagged the right penny stocks, that was it. The Wieland guy, he's done the same thing. He's called out Ricky before, so there's that. There's nothing really wrong about it. Go look at other YouTubers. That's what a lot of people do. But now here's the thing is, you could put someone's name in it. There's people who do it, and now adding something to it. So I'm hopefully trying to add something to this. You know, I'm not putting these people's name in these videos just because I want the attention, because I think although the attention, it would help and it would actually get people interested in similar stuff, you know, I'm exactly what they're looking for at the same time, but also in the other degree, it could add a level to the discussion. There's different approaches and different things, and that's it. And two, I'm trying to balance it out. Like I'm saying, you know, those videos were both very positive for both of those guys. Like I said on the videos, even they commented, and I mean it genuinely and seriously. You guys ever come out to LA, you ever want to do anything, reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you guys, you know, and I mean that in the nicest way possible. It's not like, you know, on some beef shit or we're gonna do like a boxing match or anything like that. You know, because those guys, I respect what they're doing. I respect their work and all that. I am going to make videos talking about people who I actually really don't like and I think are scummy. But, you know, that was it. So I think even adding to that, instead of just using their names to get clickbait and attention and just say some negative false shit, that's, you know, that's not the plan here. And even then, that's the thing. So apparently, I guess the wording of how I said it, or I might have made a mistake when I was talking to, about Patrick Wieland, people were saying he doesn't sell anything or anything like that, and he doesn't. I think I was too excited and I was speaking too fast. The two things about him is, like, one, people have talked about that he's kind of gone from all free to this, to transition to the only thing for sale, quote unquote, is his day trading channel, which is like a Twitch subscription. So, but no, he doesn't sell anything, so I'm sorry if it came off as that. And like I'm saying, even in general, that's what I'm saying, if that is partly to answer and think that's the point of those videos, for people to really say, hey dude, this is the reality of something, and taking it from an objective matter instead of just trying to rip somebody apart for no reason. You know, again, I don't care. I think the right people saw it. Everybody's seeing it who needs to. I think it's, you know, it's kind of fun-loving too, so there's that. But I think it's cool that they responded, but I also think it's interesting because, again, anybody types a name, like I used to have, again, you go search the trading fraternity, see people, there's one guy who's made a review. I'm going to make a video on it, so I don't, just wait on it, okay? It's going to be really fun, because there's so much to it. I want to sit here, but I don't want to, I'm chilling now, but I don't want to drop the camera. But even then, it's just like, anybody, and it was weird because I usually used to never respond to people, and this guy, you know, he just finally, I had to respond to him at once. But the thing was, it was just because claims were so ridiculous, and like seeing the reaction from those guys so far and other people, when other people make videos, let's saying, go make a video about anybody, put their name in it and say scam, they're gonna respond to you. And it's kind of sad, and it's sad how people have exploited that. That's why I think it's funny I'm exploiting that on my end, but that is just the nature of it. So is it sad? Yes, but it even tells you guys, you know, do whatever, you know, people are, it shows something, you know, especially this fake news culture, everything. People are gonna do whatever they want and do all this, and you know, people have meanings, you know, some people even said I'm jealous, this and that. No, like, again, hopefully you're smart enough to see my point. I'm not jealous. Like, again, I'm kicking it. My life is good. California, you guys see literally minute by minute, even when I'm posting these videos, you follow me. You know, God is good, man, and you guys are, this is fun. I'm enjoying this, so it's not jealous or anything. I hopefully want to educate people. Even these videos itself should educate it, and that's the thing too. All these people, even Ricky and Pat, they're just, everyone's different, myself too. You know, again, you guys got to realize my approach to things and educating people is very, very different. You're not going to like me. I shouldn't be liked by everybody, you know. I've looked in the mirror sometimes, and I didn't even like what I saw in the mirror. But guess what? I could not avoid mirrors. You guys are like, what the fuck are you saying right now? But what I'm telling you is a mirror is not going to lie to you. You know, I look at myself, I'm like, dude, I'm fat. Like, the camera's not going to kind of lie, you know. I'm trying to get a little skinnier, but some people like it when the mirror lies to them. Some people like it when the mirror's softer, or a camera, or a filter. Hopefully you could get the analogy here, you know. Different approaches and different things, you know. My approach isn't, you know, I'm not really I'm eloquent to a degree, but not to the point of keeping things soft and this and that. And you know, it's just a different focus, and it's for different people and different things. So hopefully you guys understand that. This is some deep philosophical rant, but again, too, both those guys, I made the scam videos. Go watch those videos again. And to clarify, there's nothing really anything crazy about them too. I really don't think, but I think it's interesting they responded. I think it's interesting your guys' reactions to the video all over, and I'm going to keep doing these. And if you're watching right now and you guys are some of the early people subscribing, I love you guys. Thank you. Keep supporting the channel. Keep hooking it up. I'm going to hook you up, and pay attention, because this is for the people who watch all the videos all the way through. You're watching this far. Wait and watch. Just notice people's reactions to these videos and everything. It's going to be fun, but this is all educational. It's all understanding social stuff, everything in the markets too. And these are the markets of people and promotions and anybody talking about stocks. That has to affect the stock market. That's something you guys got to think about. So there's a lot to this. I could keep ranting forever. Oh man, the lighting looks good here. I should kick it. It's beautiful. Again, enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna get back to work, do my thing. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you all. And again, anybody else too, if anyone want to come out to LA, hit me up. We will have some fun. We'll party in the hills. Ray Shremmer, some shit. Alright, yeah, son. Yeah, gang, music video, diss trap, boom. Alright, bye.